Time now for a bite of the week. It comes from a Westmoreland resident. She expressed shock after the body of an elderly woman was discovered inside the home she shared with her caregiver. It's believed the woman died 2 years ago. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week brought to you by...
Come no know she is that type of person. Come here tell us that she loving, she nice. So me don't know what take her over, really. Me don't know. She's a nice woman. Yes. And me feel shame about what she do. Like I never take her over. All the while me down on me yard, me hear me nice spirit up there.
Bite of the week brought to you by King Alam.